Alright, so yesterday I tried the thing that I saw on Facebook where you try to open a bottle of beer with a magnet, a quarter, and it didn't work at all. But now I figured it out, and it does work. Okay? I still have the magnet. I have the bottle of beer. And I just made a slight alteration to the quarter. But I'm pretty fucking sure this is going to work. Okay? So what they say you have to do is, all you have to do is take the beer, put it on top of the magnet, and tap the bottle with the quarter. And the bottle cap should just come off. So just gotta tap it. Son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! And the bottle cap just comes right off. Like magic.